So, good evening po. Our topic for today is all about Gentile's taxonomy of tennis. So first, what is Gentile's taxonomy? So Gentile's taxonomy is all about device motor skills compromising two dimensions of performance demands. So we have two. Yung isa is environmental context and yung isa naman is action function. In environmental context, we have stationary regulatory conditions, in-motion regulatory conditions, intertrial variability, and no intertrial variability. While sa action function naman, we have body stability, body transport, no object manipulation, and object manipulation. So first, what is tennis? Tennis is a racket sport playing individually or duo. Pwede siyang solo, one-on-one, or duo. The object of the game is to maneuver the ball in such a way that the opponent is not able to play a valid return. Dapat pag maglalaro ka ng tennis, hindi dapat mabalik ng kalaban yung shuttlecock sa'yo para may points ka. So, environmental context and action function of a tennis. So 1A, stationary, no intertrial variability, body stability with no manipulation. Position and drill. A tennis player might be standing in a ready position at the baseline or net, focusing on maintaining balance and posture. The player isn't hitting the ball or interacting with any object. So sa 1A, standing still lang siya. Nakatayo lang siya sa isang place, hindi gumagalaw at saka wala siyang hawak na object. Nag-o-observe lang. 1B, stationary, no intertrial variability, and body stability with manipulation. Sa 1B naman, serving practice. A player practice their serve by standing in the same spot without moving their feet after the serve. The focus is on consistent ball toss, racket swing, and hitting the ball in the same manner repeatedly. So, sa 1B is nakatayo lang din siya sa isang posisyon pero may intertrial variability siya. Nagpapakita na siya ng skill. May ginagamit na din siyang object. 1C, stationary, no intertrial variability, and body transport with no manipulation. 1C, footwork drills. A player performs footwork drills where they move from one set point on the court to another. So ito yung in motion, umaalis-alis na siya. Parang may kalaro na siya, pero wala siyang gamit na object. Yung body niya lang ang nagmo-move from one place to another. While 1D, stationary, intertrial variability, body transport with manipulation. Movement drills with ball machine. A player moves to various positions on the court. While hitting balls fed by a ball machine, the machine feeds balls with consistent speed and trajectory, allowing the player to focus on moving and hitting the ball effectively. Dito sa 1D, umaalis na din siya. Paulit-ulit yung nangyayari and may gamit na siyang object, which is the ball and the bat. And yung paligid niya, environment niya is gumagalaw na din, which is intertrial. So 2A, stationary, intertrial variability, and body stability, no manipulation. Sa visual and cognitive drills, the player stands in a fixed position while responding to various visual or cognitive challenges. For example, the coach might call out different cues or display signals that the player must react to, even though the player must even though the player does not physically move or manipulate a racket. So stationary, nasa isang place lang siya, hindi siya gumagalaw. And terrestrial variability means may skills na, napapalitan na yung skills na ginagamit niya. Body stability, stable, with no manipulation, wala siyang gamit na object. 2B, stationary and terrestrial variability and body stability with manipulation. Target practice with varying ball feeds. A coach or ball machine feeds balls to the player in different locations or with varying speeds and spins. While the player remain in the same spot, the player must adjust their racket manipulation to hit targets accurately despite the variability in the ball feed. So pag stationary, steady, hindi siya gumagalaw, hindi siya umaalis sa ibang spot. And terrestrial variability, may skills na. While body stability, stable lang siya. And with manipulation, may gamit na siyang object. 2C, stationary and terrestrial variability and body transport with no manipulation. Footwork drills with changing patterns. A player performs footwork drills where they move to different positions on the court according to varying patterns or instructions, such as moving from corner to corner or side to side. The patterns or directions change from one drill to the next, but the court conditions remain the same. So, stationary, ganun pa rin. Andun pa rin siya. In terrestrial variability, may skill na gamit, nag-iiba yung skill. And body transport, umaalis-alis na siya. And no manipulation, wala siyang gamit na bola. Bola or bat, racket, tennis, racket. 2D, stationary and terrestrial variability and body transport with manipulation. Variable ball feeding drill. A player practices returning balls fed to them at varying locations on the court. They need to move, body transport, to reach each ball and then hit it. Manipulation. The ball's speed, spin, and placement change between attempts, requiring the player to adjust their movement and shot execution. Stationary, sa 2A to 2D, stationary, and in terrestrial variability, nagbabago ang skills na gamit. And body transport, gumagalaw-galaw siya. With manipulation, may object na siyang gamit, racket. 3A, motion, no and terrestrial variability, and body stability with no manipulation. Watching opponent's movement. The player remains stationary while observing the movement of an opponent or a coach simulating movement. The player focuses on tracking the motion and staying balanced, preparing to react but not yet engaging with a racket or a ball. In motion siya. Pag sinabing in motion, gumagalaw na siya, nakikipaglaro na siya. No terrestrial variability, but same lang yung pattern, yung movement na ginagawa niya. Body stability, stable. No manipulation, wala siyang object na gamit, nor racket man yan or shuttlecock. 3B, motion, no and terrestrial variability, body stability with manipulation. Volley practice against a wall. The player stands in one spot near the net and practices hitting volleys against a wall or receiving consistent feeds from a coach or ball machine. The ball comes at predictable speed and trajectory, no and terrestrial variability, and the player focuses on maintaining stability while manipulating the racket to return the ball. In motion pa rin. So, gumagalaw-galaw, no and terrestrial variability, no, hindi nagbabago ang skill. body stability, stable, with manipulation. May gamit na siyang racket dito para i-hit yung ball. 3C. Motion, no inertial variability, and body transport with no manipulation. Consistent footwork drills. A player practices moving to different positions on the court in response in a ball machine or coach feeding balls, but without actually hitting the ball. The focus is on the movement patterns, such as running to the net or moving laterally along the baseline while the ball feed remains consistent. In motion siya, parang nagpa-practice, pero walang inertial variability, which means walang skill. Hindi nag-improve yung skill niya, parang paulit-ulit lang yung ginagawa niyang pattern. Body transport, which means gumagalaw ka na sa isang place to another. With no manipulation, object manipulation, which means ginagawa mo yung pag-alis sa isang pwesto pero wala kang gamit na kahit anong object. 3D. Motion, no inertial variability, and body transport with manipulation. Running forehand, backhand drill. A player practices moving from side to side on the baseline to hit forehand and backhand shots. The ball machine or coach consistently feeds the ball to the same spots on the court. No inertial variability, and the player focuses on moving the ball, body transport, and hitting it. So, in motion pa rin siya. Tapos, no inertial variability. Same lang ang skills na pinapakita. Body transport, gumagalaw na from place to place with object manipulation. May gamit na siyang racket or ball. Racket, ball, shuttlecock. Ball. 4A. Motion, inertial variability, and body stability with no manipulation. Tracking opponent movements. The player remains stationary while watching an opponent or a coach move around the court. The player focuses on maintaining stability and balance while observing different movements. Inertial variability, such as opponents' varying approaches to the net or different footwork patterns. Itong 4A, in motion pa rin siya. Pero may inertial variability na siya, which means nababago yung skills na mga ginagamit niya, nag-i-improve siya day by day. Body stability. Ito naman stable lang siya. Tsaka wala siyang ginagamit na object. No object manipulation. 4B. Motion, inertial variability, and body stability with manipulation. 4B naman, andun na ang in motion siya. Moving, inertial variability, different skills, body stability, nagmo-move siya pero stable lang yung galaw niya, and with manipulation. May object siya na ginagamit. 4C. Motion, inertial variability, and body transport with no manipulation. Footwork drills with variable movement. The player practices footwork by moving to the different spots on the court in response to changing stimuli, such as a coach signaling different directions. The task involves moving in various positions on the court, but without hitting or interacting with the ball. Without hitting or interacting with a ball. So it means there is no object manipulation. Wala siyang ginamit na object dyan. And 4D, motion, inertial variability, and body transport with manipulation. Serve and return drills. The player practices serving from different positions on the court and then moving to return serves from various locations. Each serve varies in speed, spin, and placement, inertial variability, requiring the player to move and hit accurately with manipulation. Sa 4D naman, yan na yung buo mong skills ang dito makikita natin kung paano nag-i-improve yung skills natin while playing those sports. Sa 4D kasi, buong-buo na yung skills mo. Kaya mo na lahat. So that's for the night. Thank you for listening to my discussions. Bye-bye.